I am Ayush Nambiar doing my internship from Unified Mentor. I have taken business analytics, and I would like to say that my internship journey has become very good. When I first knew about Unified Mentor, I did not know exactly what it is about. Then after the induction session and everything, I understood. I had a proper understanding about the internship. From this internship, I learned a lot about how to make Tableau dashboards, bar graphs, etc. I also got a proper understanding of how the exactly the corporate world works, and and it also helped me develop my understanding and potential. The two topics which I had taken was financial performance of a company and data and governance security dashboard, and through researching about it and getting information to make the PowerPoint presentation, I learned a lot, and I also got a knack about how this corporate industry is. Thank you.